Hi, so I'm going to share with you today how you can create your own meme coin on the Ethereum layer 2 base network, which is pretty much the Ethereum meme coin. The base network just allows it to have cheaper fees and more efficient in general and faster. So I'm going to share with you how you can do this, how you can create a Ethereum meme coin step by step. If you do have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below. So as you can see, the first step is to go to the Goose.run website. I will leave a link in the description below for you. Now you will have to have a few things set up. You will need a wallet, for example, like a MetaMask wallet, like I have right here, and you will need to have Ethereum on your MetaMask wallet. First step is you need to connect your wallet at the top right here. As you can see, it says connect. You click on connect, then you would click on MetaMask if that's what you're using. Now, all you're doing now is connecting your wallet up and it will automatically add the base network. If you do not have base network, just look up on Google, on YouTube, how to add the base network. The base network is just a layer 2 to Ethereum, which is pretty much Ethereum, the same thing. The next step is you need to send Ethereum to your address, to your base network address on your MetaMask wallet. This just covers the fees to create the cryptocurrency, that meme coin. So now all you need to do is to go to an exchange where you can buy Ethereum and send it. So if you have an exchange anywhere that you can send Ethereum to, all you want to do is buy some Ethereum. So I'm just going to buy $20, $25 worth, review, and then place the order here. Now all I'm going to do now is withdraw the cryptocurrency. So all I'm doing is withdrawing it. So we got Ethereum. Now we have to select the address. We do have to make a new address, and now we have to get the address that we're transferring it from. So here, this top part right here, this is the address that you need to send the Ethereum to. Put it in there. Now you can click on the base network right here. So as you can see, you want to go to the base network. You want to make sure you're sending it to the base net. Add the address. Now it's going to ask for a code because that's what I have set up on the security. And now we can click confirm. Now I just want to verify the trade by my email address, and then I can make the transfer. All right. So as you can see, now it's letting me do the transfer. There is a minimum amount that you can send, so I will have to buy some more. So we will buy some more. So there you go. As you can see, now I'm just going to withdraw the Ethereum to my MetaMask wallet. It tells me the fees here, and I've got to give it a reason. So I'm transferring it to a personal wallet. And then when you're ready, you just click on continue. And once again, I'm going to SMS code to confirm the trade. Oops, I didn't even put it in. Now, once you're ready, you just click on continue. Now the transfer has been successful. If you do want a more detailed guide on how to buy cryptocurrency on SwiftX and how to set up your account, I do have a lot of videos. I will leave a link to the videos below in the description. But you understand what I'm doing here if you basically seen what I just did. All I did was withdraw Ethereum to the base network, to my MetaMask wallet. Now I will make a more detailed guide on how to do this if you wish. Feel free to let me know in the comments below. But all we need to do was transfer some Ethereum to my MetaMask wallet here. And as you can see, it's already appeared here. It's right here, as you can see. So once you have Ethereum on your base network account, you can move on to the next step. So now we're on back to Goose.run. We want to make sure our account is linked up. Remember, it has been linked up already. The next step is we want to attach a new coin. So you want to create your own meme coin, which is an Ethereum meme coin on the base network. We're going to name it whatever you like. So I'm going to call this just a random project. This isn't serious. Crypto Roadman. So I'm just going to name it CRM. Then I'm going to click a random image I have right here. Then I'm just going to call it Roadman Cryptocurrency Team Crew. I'll just call it that. So that's really all you do. You just name the coin. You give it a symbol. It's totally up to you what you make the symbol. And then you put an image here, which is showed up here. And then the description of the coin, you can change this, I'm pretty sure. And then if you want to buy a certain amount of your own coin, you can do that. I'm going to not worry about it. Then I'm going to click on here, Twitter. You can add your Twitter, Telegram, website. Now, if you want to take this project serious, you want to have all of these. I really do suggest that. And then next step is you can go to the advanced option here. So if you want to set up where there's a buy fee and there's a sell fee, I would recommend this if you want to do it, if you wish. Now I'm going to make it a 0.5% buy fee, and I'm going to leave it as a 1% sell fee. So it might stop people from wanting to sell it. I might even lower this to just 0.3, so less than 0.5%. Don't have to worry about any of this. I would just, if you want to have the sell fee and buy fee, feel free to do that. It's up to you. Allow borrowing, well, I don't mind. So now once you're happy with this, once you've put in the links and you're happy to create the coin, all you do now is click on hatch. Now it will be a fee. That's why you have to have Ethereum. So now as you can see, it pops up asking me to pay the fee. And all you want to do now is click on confirm the trade. And as you can see, there should be a pending transaction fee, which is a $3.84. So for $3.84 USD, you can have your own meme coin. That's how cheap it is on the Ethereum network as well. And now as you can see, you have your own cryptocurrency right here. Crypto Roadman. So once you have created your cryptocurrency, it should appear right here. Now you can see all the overview of it. So the market cap, the volume, the price of it right now. You can also invite people to buy and you earn fees when people buy. So for example, if you want to buy this cryptocurrency, you will gain some fees. I will gain a percentage of all the fees that you pay. So if you want to buy it, I will feel free to link in the description. I don't recommend people to buy it. This is just a joke. I'm just doing this coin just to create it. But if you were to buy it, I would get a percentage of the fees. Now, how to actually buy your own cryptocurrency, you can just click it right here and type the amount that you wish to buy. It's totally up to you how much you wish to buy. And then once you're ready, you can click on buy. And it should say pending transaction. So it should appear now that you have a fee that you will pay. So the network fee, so so what I name it? CRM. That's what I called it. So it tells you how much you're sending, the network fee, which is very cheap, 0.02. Then when you're ready, you click on confirm. And now the transaction is waiting for the transaction to confirm. So as you can see, the transaction has confirmed. Now, if I wanted to actually sell it back, it would let me do that. So now you can see in real time there, you can see the buy volume right here, and you can see the candlestick right here, and you can see the token holders as well. So you can see that I'm the token holder right here, and you can see there's goals to get to. The first step is to get to level 2, which is a market cap of 14.7k. So it's all a little bit fun here. It's a unique way to create your own meme coin. Now you can look at the open admin panel here. So you can also put in the kick link, your Telegram, your Twitter, your website, and authenticate. So that's for the people that are admin. So this will only appear if you create the coin. Now you can burn it as well. I can actually burn the cryptocurrency if I want. If I do buy some more, I probably will burn it. Boost not available. But as you can see, that's how you can create your own meme coin. And I feel like this is a better looking overall dashboard compared to other platforms that you use to create your own meme coins. So have fun. Feel free to have a go with it. If you do want to sign up, once again, I will leave a link in the description below if you want to use to create your own meme coin. And I'll also leave a link to my own coin if you're very interested in buying it. I'm not saying you should buy it, but feel free to buy it if you wish, if you want to test it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you do have any questions, once again, feel free to let me know in the description in the comments below.